This is the Wendy's. Just went to the bathroom here. There's a bike rental place. This is Caesar's Bay in Brooklyn. You can catch a lot of fish here, you know. The only problem is very popular. You can have thousands of people walking this 4-mile stretch boardwalk, which is on the Bell Parkway. I love fishing here, but the problem is too many people, kids, bicyclists, rollerbladers, joggers, and a lot of people fishing too, so it's hard to like get a good spot. Now why am I fishing in the rain? Because there's nobody here, no other fishermen, maybe one or two other crazy guys, you know. People don't like to fish in the rain, I don't know why, I love it. So I was parked at the rest stop. Rest stop's like right in front of me. That's the good thing. You go to the bathroom at Wendy's. I was very surprised the bathroom was super clean at Wendy's. There's a baseball soccer field, like people play softball here, but not very often, but people can play soccer here and it's still not crowded, you know. I'm surprised that there's not a lot of garbage in here. Like the people in this neighborhood is not too bad. Even like new immigrants, they keep this field clean. People go in here, but I've been living here 37 years. I've been coming here like 37 years. I don't really see it ever get dirty. There's soccer and baseball, softball field. You got the highway. Heading back to my car. It'll probably be a good 5-minute video, so you want to skip ahead, get to the action. So once I get to my car, I'm gonna rig up, change my wet socks. It was raining pretty heavily earlier, so I'm gonna change into my my heavy woolen socks. I have 3 more pairs in the car. The boot's a little bit wet, but as long as the socks are not too wet. Oh, the water is not calm, it's heavy. I mean, like, hey man, who knows? Is there water? Is there fish in the water when the waves are this heavy? I don't know. Why wouldn't there be fish, you know? The only issue is the waves, they're splashing up. This is why nobody's fishing. But I have like dual layer of like waterproof gear. So I have the waterproof jacket, right? And then I'm gonna put also the waterproof poncho on top of myself, because I'm gonna get splashed, so I won't get 2 layers. I won't get too wet. I don't know if you can see the splash from here. Look, it's pretty crazy. There's a lot of cars like parked here, but they'll come out to walk if the rain stops. I gotta eat my Wendy's first. Hoping to get out even earlier, but I just dropped off my son at his mother's place. The waves are crazy. I don't want to stand too close to it. Splashing over the boardwalk. That's why I know it's fishing. This is my favorite spot right here. This spot catches me giant dog sharks, lobster, flounder. It's great. And it's less than like 10 minutes from my house, so I don't really have to worry about it. Where is my car? Let me walk through here first. There's the rest stop. People's cars on. Probably doing some illegal stuff in the car. It is dangerous here, so you know I want people to run you over. So here I am at my spot. My spot is usually right here for fishing into that first tree. That's the best area, no traps on the floor. I'll see you in a bit. We're fishing in the rain. It's rough today, as you can see. The water's really high. I got to tie my poles down. But I can cast out with a 6-ounce sinker, so it should be okay. As long as the wave's not pushing back here too strong. I want to see what kind of crazy big fish is in there. The bait shop gave me like 4 free bunkers, so I have 6. But yeah, I'm loving this, man. And I got wet before, so I'm like, yeah, yeah, baby. Rough. It is rough waters. Look at that shit. Woo. It was crazy. Alright, let's get set up. This is how it all starts. Oh shit, hold on. Why am I recording 2K? So this is the beginning. It's raining. It's crazy. It's about to rain. Everybody's gone now. Good, someone left the baby car there. What's going on? Got my rod top. Hope there's fish. No, I don't know. When the waves are this crazy, is there fish? It's splashing all over the place. What is this? Flash a bit. I don't know if the wind is pushing the bait too far. I got a 6-ounce sinker, but we'll see. There's definitely stuff eating. Eating all the bait up. It's torn up after about 20 minutes. That's something. Look at a dogfish. Like a something, huh? Coming towards me. Seems like a dogfish. Look at a bunch of stuff. Whoa. Got this. Fine, they got. Not escaping this. There we go. Crab bait. Blend it. We can. Nice. Dogfish. The crab bait. Fine. Something. Pretty off. Go. You can see the bunker is still from me because it's still twitching, which is kind of crazy. You see the bunker in here? 1, 2. 2-piece of bunker. That goes slow motion. Helping the little kids pass by. And it's still fucking moving.
Is that a shark?
Yeah. But, yeah, they sell in the market like $3.50 a pound. I use them for crab bait. They're best for crab bait in Long Island, you know. You can keep as many as these you want. There's no law for them. Oh my god, this is crazy. I think I just caught the smallest flounder in the world. Oh my god. Look at that. This is crazy. Look at this. This thing is like, oh, like 5 inches and skinny. This is crazy. No way I thought I would have had a fish on. This is funny as fuck. Well, at least the fish is here. I'm gonna start jigging to the flounder. This is crazy. Here's the baby flounder in the world. Right here. Oh man, I can't believe it was on it. But how long was it on it? It got on from the bunker. Oh no, it was squid. Yeah, it was squid. Stuck in my hand. This is really cool. It was right in the lower lip, so it's not even bleeding. Look at my finger. It's really just the size of my finger. Wow. I can actually see a school of minnows, like millions of them. So the ocean right now, the fish are coming, like giant schools. So I'm gonna try to like jig for the fluke.